The linear function y equals negative 3x plus 80 models the depth of the ocean in miles x years after 2010. So first part A, find the slope of the model. Well, the slope falls in front of x. So our slope is negative 3. Now, there are times that we might say, let's make that a fraction and we'll put it over 1. And it's best to write a slope as a fraction when you want to interpret it. So remember that slope is the change in the y values over the change in x. Okay, so change in y, we're talking about it models the depth. So the change in y represents the depth of the ocean, and it says x years after 2010. So this is years after, should be an F, after 2010. Now you may say, I don't understand why that matters. Well, these words here are going to help us with our interpretation. So you can see the top is negative 3. That means, we're talking about the depth in miles, and it's negative. So that means the depth decreases. I say decreases because of the negative sign. The depths of the ocean decreases by 3 miles for every 1 year after 2010. And, you know, when you think about it like that, the depth of the ocean, that 3 miles is big, right? Well, in my case, I think that's big. And for every year, the depth of the ocean to shrink by that much, right? It's decreasing. Where's all that water going? And that's very scary to think about. But that's how you interpret the slope. Get yourself words. What do the y values mean? What do the x values mean? And then you can use your numbers, whether they're positive or negative, to show what those things mean.